That was before we were labeled as a sad generation with happy faces. Life was simple. We had time to play and socialize with one another. Our childhood was not so sophisticated with all this technology playing a major role in our lives currently. In my time, I'm talking about the era of the late night stories our grandparents used to tell us. They used to teach us a little about a black person's history. Indeed, a day spent with an elder is a history lesson that can never be taught at school. In my time, we used to play with clay soil, molding every creature we knew ever existed, while listening to the rivers flow and birds singing. We had seasons to play different cultural games. In summer, we used to steal body lotions just to lotion ourselves after swimming. The only stressful thought we had was to be caught by our elders. We used to gather at a household that owned television just to watch movies. That was my time. Before the Temu Mjolo showed us playing, the only thing we were obsessed with was playing all day long away from home. Oh, this thing called life was simple back then, but technology has taken away all that from us. As we grow older, we saw no use of meeting daily because we often communicated via social media. We just didn't realize that was breaking the strong bonds we had. Today, we are living in the world of fantasy. We are always live and active on social media, not noticing how the real world is changing. Yes.